How to tame a terror bird. You need 70 narcotics per hour. The foods that you're going to need are gallimimus kibble, raw prime meat, cooked prime meat, raw mutton, cooked lamb chop, raw prime fish meat, cooked prime fish meat, raw meat, cooked meat, raw fish meat, and cooked fish meat. I recommend gallimimus kibble. The terror bird has the ability to stay in air for a period of time by flapping its wings. This, however, can happen if the terror bird has no stamina. Stay in air will also decrease your terror bird's stamina. If the terror bird has ran out of stamina in midair, the terror bird will fall to the ground. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all. See you next time.